Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum student. I am here with 6th lecture of class 9th and 10th. As you know that as we have covered some properties and also is known as De Morgan's law. Previous lecture I proved De Morgan's law, definition of De Morgan's law and proved that. So today I will discuss about some figures when topic is that Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Venn means is namely English mathematician John Venn. It is a law and he introduced these methods. So first, what is a Venn diagram? So set Venn diagram is said that sets can also be represented graphically. This is a graphically. Using Venn diagrams means figures. These are Venn means name and diagram. This figure Venn, mathematician name is John Venn. So this is a diagram. So using Venn diagrams named after the English mathematician John Venn, who introduced their use in 1881. In Venn diagram, the universal set U, which contains all the elements of the subset under consideration. You can see on the board here, this is a rectangular shape, and these what it means of U. U is a universal set which means contains all elements in this figure. So which contains all the elements of the subset under consideration is usually represented by a rectangular shape. These are a shape is called a rectangular shape. Inside this rectangle, circle or other simple closed geometrical figure are used to represent sets. You can see there is some circle in this figure of rectangular. This shows a set or subset. So sometimes points are used to represent the particular elements of the set. Venn diagrams are often used to indicate the relationship between the sets. Venn diagram represent, as we have called a union, intersection, complement in previous lecture, but here we represent in diagram, only diagram. We have given a same, we can write in the form of A union B, A intersection B, A complement, but representing geometrically in these figures. When we draw this figure, that sets represent is called a Venn diagram. So here example is 1 is that U is equal to 1 to 10. Universal set is starting point is 1 and last element, last number is 10. So A is the subset 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So when diagram is studied, first we write draw a figure rectangular shape. Then I draw a rectangular shape. So A is a subset. So when diagram is studied, A which is in rectangular shape in a circle, that means a subset of U. So circle here, this is shows and represent a circle which shows 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here in this figure in circle in 1, 3, 5, 7 number is represent a set, and whole in bracket represent a set U. This shows is called a representation of Venn diagram. So here another example, we write a array subset in represent a Venn diagram or figure. A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we draw a figure rectangular shape which is two circles A and B and universal set. Universal set means all elements in which include in these figures. So Venn diagram can be used to show that A set is a subset of set B, which means A is a subset of B, and A is equal to 1, 2. These are two elements. So B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say, as we have covered previous lecture, we can say A is a subset of B, and here we represent one circle is that A and second circle is that 3, 4, which means A is a subset of B. So we draw the universal set. I draw a universal set, rectangular shape. Within this rectangular we draw a circle for B. Since A is a subset of B, we draw another circle for A within the circle for B. The relationship which is shown in figure, A is a subset of B in this form. This figure is called a representation of Venn diagram, but here we draw only A is a subset of B. And now example 2, these are a figure I represent only, and I draw some figures and show you. If you have given a union of two set, intersection of two set, or complement of set, then I draw. If we have given A union B, then we draw a representation of this figures. If we have given A intersection, then we draw this figure. If we have given A difference B, then we draw this figure. So first A union B is equal to this, A is this, B this, and U is equal to universal set. Rectangular we have given, U means universal set, and A, B, which is I filled in both set in color, which means union of two sets. And here A intersection B, here also two set, but I filled color in some circle, some shape. So this filling this things is called show that the union intersection of two sets, common elements of two sets A and B. Now here filled in this form, so which is shows a intersection of two sets. So A difference B, here rectangular shape, U is also given, B is also given, and I filled only a set, which means if we subtract from these set, then we have only A set elements. This representation is called A difference B. So here complement of set, these are sets we have given universal, and A is equal to this, then we find a complement. So here rectangular shape, universal set, but in this figure, in here another figure is a circle, which means A is a subset, so which is shows a complement of a set. Here only fill in interpolation, or these are color A and union set, but here circle we don't fill, which means a complement of a set. So this is a topic which shows a Venn diagram. So that's all today. We will meet again inshallah.